4 years after its Philippine launch, Isuzu gives its popular MU-X midsize SUV a significant amount of updates. In fact, the most it's received so far, and we're here in Santa Rosa, Laguna to tell you all about it. I'm Eric Tipan from AutoIndustriya.com. Let's take a look at the facelift of the front fascia first of the Isuzu MU-X. First is the dynamic design LED headlamps. It's a lot sharper, and Isuzu integrated the turn signal bulbs into the entire thing to make it look sleeker. Number two is the dynamic design titanium carbide grille. I know it's a mouthful, but it's a lot more sophisticated, as you can see, and it has better cooling because of the wider gaps in between the slats. Now, finally, at least when it comes to the front fascia, is the fighter jet wing design of the front bumper, which is, number one, a lot sportier, but it has an air curtain right here, which is good for better airflow, higher efficiency, better aerodynamics, and more importantly, a lot quieter in the cabin because it reduces wind noise. Now, if you can come here with me, look at the dynamic turbine wheels. This is brand new as well. It's got a new design and a little indentations here that make it look sporty as well. At the rear is the new Embrace Line concept rear combination LED tail lamps, an emergency stop signal, and a power tailgate. By the way, those roof rails up top can carry as much as 100 kilograms. New to the cabin are two features. Number one is ambient lighting that will look a lot prettier in low lighting conditions. You'll find it here and some other nooks and crannies of the cabin of the 2025 MU-X. Number two is this electroluminescent type instrument panel, now with a 7-inch multi-information display. Of course, you can't miss the 10.1-inch color touchscreen display with wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. It has a navigation feature, and it also doubles as your monitor for the 360-degree around view monitor with blind spot turn assist. Now, audio goes to 8 speakers inside the cabin of the 2025 MU-X. No need to buy a dash cam when you're picking up a 2025 MU-X because it comes standard with a digital video recorder, at least on the LSE and LSA. It's got a dual zone climate control system with rear vents, wireless charger, you've got USB connectivity, and a 12-volt outlet right here. We're inside the LSE 4x2. You'll notice the new pattern on the leather seats. It's got good bolstering as well. The driver's is 8-way power adjustable. In front is a leather multifunction steering wheel. There's leather as well on the gear shift knob. And if you're in traffic a lot, you'll appreciate the auto hold function. Here at the second row, you get leather seats with a drop-down center armrest with 2 cup holders. The second row splits 60-40. You have several amenities here. You've got your air vents with its own controls, 2 USB-C ports, a little storage space, a hook, your tweeters, and a generous amount of legroom. Now, the third row splits 50-50, so if you want to load some stuff, you can accommodate items with odd sizes. Now, this is a 3-liter blue-powered turbo diesel with an intercooler. It makes 190 PS, 450 Newton meters of torque, sends all that power to the front, or all-wheel drive via a 6-speed automatic transmission with sequential shift. Now, drivers can control all that power better from inside the vehicle with the Terrain Command Select dial. It's right beside them. It has the rough terrain mode as well. What a lot of motorists love about the latest MU-X is its advanced driver assist systems that include forward collision warning, turn assist, pedal misapplication mitigation, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, multi-collision brake, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control with stop and go function, and auto high beam. Isuzu improves the safety aspect of the 2025 MU-X further with a new 4-eye parking sensor at the front to match the rear's features to make it easier, avoiding collisions when parking a mid-size SUV in tight spaces. It is the same MU-X you love but now more good looking, fancier, and if I may add, a lot more high-tech creature comforts and safer than ever. Plus, Isuzu adds a new exterior color to the 2025 MU-X. It's called Eiger Gray. It's available for the LSE and LSA. Now find out what this midsize crossover can do for you by test driving it at your nearest Isuzu dealership. Ladies and gentlemen, the 2025 MU-X is finally here. I'm Eric Tipan from AutoIndustriya.com.